pistol. And here is your, I'm going to have you walk forward a little bit just so we're ready to go. Here's your blank. Alright, so you'll bite the end off the...
Which end?
The flatter end.
This part right here where my thumb is?
Yeah. And then you'll pour most of it down the barrel. Keep just a little bit more. That should be good.
Okay.
Give it a good tap while it's upright. Yeah, just give the powder to settle, and then you'll go to a half stop position. Yep. And then you'll fill the keep
right
it
here.
Yep. Keep it vertical or horizontal, so the powder gets in there.
Right here.
Yep.
I don't.
I got some extra. Whoa. That's fine. Yeah, if you do too much, yeah, just kind of knock it off.
All right.
And you'll close the frizzen, or you close the frizzen.
Does that pull back?
Yep. All right, and then we'll have you walk up here. When you're ready to fire, you're going to go to a full cock position. And again, you're holding it sideways, not like perfectly sideways. Yeah, like that. And then you fire. All right, so that's a misfire. When we have a misfire, keep it pointed down range. Again, there could be a delayed reaction to that going off. So all you do in a misfire, you're going to go to a half cock, and you're going to check how much powder you still got, kind of knock it back in there.
Try it again.
Yep, and close the frizzen. And then try it again. Full cock, pull the trigger. Okay, so that one on a misfire. We'll just set this load aside.
It's always a mulligan.
I think the powder may be a little wet or something.
It could be anything. That's the fun thing about these things. You never really know. So let's try that again. Let's get you a different.